In Domo, users can sign in using either the built-in authentication system or using a single sign-on or SSO solution from a supported provider. Domo provides two such SSO solutions: Security Assertion Markup Language, or SAML, and OpenID Connect, OIDC. In this video, we'll configure an OIDC connection. Under the Admin settings, click Authentication, then OpenID Connect. The setup defaults to using metadata-driven entry for configuration, requiring only the identity provider's or IDP's client ID, client secret, and well-known config URL. The well-known config pulls in all metadata for the IDP, such as token endpoint URL, public key, and so on. If the IDP doesn't have a well-known config URL, clicking Manual Entry will display fields to enter the metadata manually. To set up browser redirection from the IDP back to Domo, click the clipboard icon next to the OpenID Connect assertion endpoint URL. Then, paste the copied URL into the correct space in your IDP settings. At the bottom of the page, there are some advanced settings. By checking Only invited people can access Domo, Domo will only match users coming in from the IDP, not create new ones. Selecting On Logout direct people to the following URL displays a field to specify a URL that users are taken to when they log out of Domo. You're able to pull in groups from your identity provider by checking Import Groups from Identity Provider. Domo retrieves these groups from the IDP's user info endpoint upon login. And finally, you can choose whether users are shown a Domo login screen or are redirected to the IDP instead. Once configured, click on Save Config, and you're ready to log into Domo using OpenID Connect.